Hi, this is Sarah from the Designer Teacher and Teacher Care Crate, and I'm going to show you what comes in the February Teacher Care Crate. This month's theme is Creature Comforts, which means it's full of cute animals to help you practice self-care. When you first open your box, you will see the info card, and this just tells you everything that comes in the crate as well as where it came from. Next, we have this month's 5x7 art print. This was designed by the Lucky Sardine. It says you don't have to do everything, and it has this cute teacher octopus kind of juggling all the different things teachers have to do. Next, we have this adorable eye mask. What this is it's a sheet mask, but just for around the area around your eyes for calming and depuffing, and it's shaped like a cat. Next, we have this adorable canvas pouch. It says L'Amazing Teacher and has the cutest little llama on it with flowers. Perfect size for flare pens or whatever kind of goodies you want to keep in your teacher desk or in your purse. Next, we have this month's wearable item. I am also wearing them. These are tortoise shell earrings. There's these, super cute for school or not school. And there is also an alternative item if you marked off when you subscribe that you have a nickel allergy. The alternative item for those with a nickel allergy or with unpierced ears is this adorable sloth in a coffee or teacup. It says Slothy Break on it. I actually don't know which I like better, the original item or the sloth pin, but either one is a good option. Next, we have these butterfly bath salts. These are from Blue Oak Farm, and they are a peppermint and eucalyptus scent. Next, we have these adorable pens. Everything in this month's crate I just think is super cute because of all the cute animals. There are 4 of these gel pens. We have a panda, a regular bear, a pig, and a mouse. And these have black ink, and they are a gel pen. Okay. Next, we have another fun kind of stationery item. This is a magnetic bookmark, and as you can see, it is a narwhal. This is from the Etsy shop, Unusual Suspects. And let me show you maybe on the info card here. So this is magnetic on the inside so that it stays in place. It kind of snaps together and you don't have to worry about it falling out of your book. This is also great for holding your place in a planner. And then last we have this month's treat. This is from Heavenly Organics and it is a espresso cocoa honey patty. So these are super tasty and also gives you a little burst of energy. Just a little patty like that. So that is everything that comes in the February 2020 Teacher Care Crate with the Creature Comforts theme. So you get your espresso cocoa honey chocolate patty. You have your super cute narwhal magnetic bookmark. You have either your tortoiseshell hoop earrings or the sloth pin. You have your 4 creature gel pens. Butterfly bath salts from Blue Oak Farm, your eye sheet mask, L'Amazing Teacher canvas pouch, your art print, and of course just your info card. So if you are not already subscribed, make sure you head to teachercarecrate.com by February 14th to sign up in time to get the Creature Comforts Teacher Care Crate. Thanks for watching.